Hello, everyone. So today we're going to read a news article. It's not in your work packet, but I just thought it would be a nice, interesting article for you guys to check out. And then after we read the article, you can visit the website that the article is talking about. Okay? So the article that we're reading about today is called New Disney Website. And so Disney is the company that makes movies like Little Mermaid, The Lion King, Mulan, all those like princess movies. They're all from Disney. Disney is a very, very big company. They own a lot of cartoons, a lot of movies, TV shows. I'm sure most of you have seen a Disney movie or know Disney character like Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, all those characters. So let's start. The Walt Disney Company has a new free website. This website has Disney videos, stories, and activities. People are staying home because of the coronavirus. This website wants to help people have fun. The website has a new animated TV series. The TV series is about Olaf from the Frozen movies. Famous people read their favorite stories on the website. The website has music and dance classes too. What are you going to do to have fun at home? So, just a quick review. That sounds like a lot of fun. So, if we go check out the new Disney website, and maybe I will do a tour of the website in the next video, we can see that there's Olaf from Frozen videos. We can have stories being read to us, and there's music and dance classes. That's pretty cool. Let us answer some questions. So, the first question asks, what does the website want to help people have? Fun, cakes, or parties? So, what does the new Disney website want us to have? Um, Parties is not going to happen because we can't be near each other, right? That's why we're at home. That's why we're not going out. That's why we're not at school. We don't want to be near people. And so parties is not going to happen. Cakes, we can eat cake, but that the website's not going to help us with cake. The website wants us to have fun. They want us to do something to entertain ourselves.
Fun.
Number 2 asks, who is the animated TV series about? So are we going to be, when you go on the website, will this series be on Cinderella, Olaf, or Donald Duck? It's from the Frozen movie. If you haven't seen it, that's with Elsa and Anna, and it's with Olaf.
Olaf.
And then the last question asks, what do famous people read on the website? Are they reading recipes, newspapers, or stories? Famous people, like so maybe people you recognize, you've seen on TV, they are going to be reading stories.
Stories.
So on the next slide, I'm going to look for some videos that you guys can watch.